Welcome to the in front of me DOOGEE S98, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first we should launch the settings application, and after that tap on the sound section. Here you can see the ring and notification volume panel, and just to mute your device ringtone you should swipe this volume panel to the left side with your finger. Also you can do it by the second way. Just first be sure that here in default volume button control function you have selected ringtone volume. To use the volume buttons to change the volume, and now just by press to the down volume button we can see that we successfully mute our device ringtone. And we can do it by the third way. Just first press up or down volume button and then swipe to the up this volume panel with your finger here. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.